I'm Kendall Dorsey. We have Nyanga here, and we're here with Curl Wow. Today I'm going to show you something so simply amazing that's going to change the way you think of curly hair. It's a new regime, a curly hair system that I use with my clients, with my friends, and my loved ones, and we absolutely love it. We're going to start with a pre-shampoo, which is called Snag Free, and we're going to get started. This is a pre-shampoo that's going to add a detangling system to your hair. It's going to give you so much slip, and it adds a little bit of moisture. I like to go in with about this much, and I want to emulsify this into my hand and really break this down. What I like to do is I like to go straight into the roots, because what this is we're gonna soften those roots up and get any kinks out that we may possibly have. And then anything that's left over on my hand, I'm gonna just ever so softly just caress it through her hair. We're not looking for any suds. We're just starting to feel this hair transition. You're starting to feel the slip. You're ever so slightly starting to feel the detangling process. And then I go through with my fingers and I just start to pull it through maybe 10 to 15 times on each section. You'll start to feel the kinks. Can you feel the kinks like slowly coming out? It's a process. With a little bit of tension, you want to make sure you're using the claws of your fingers and kind of getting in there. And as we see, we're smooth sailing. So I love Hook so much because it's a residue-free shampoo. This has no sulfates, no parabens, none of those harmful agents that's going to really weigh the hair down. This is really going to help to stop breakage. One of the things I love so much about this shampoo is that when I was growing up, my grandma used to make shampoo and she used to use honey. So this is super thick. And what did you say when we finished shampooing your hair? Your hair felt what?
It felt really soft.
Soft.
Very soft.
It starts at the shampoo bowl. So we've moved right into the conditioning process of this. This is called Cocoa Motion. It says exactly what it does. Cocoa, a coconut. Coconut is hydrating. This product right here is gonna restore your fluidity. This product right here is gonna give you elasticity. It's gonna give you a springy, bouncy curl. I love it so much because, again, just like the shampoo is like honey, the conditioner is like cream. So it's super dense. Like, look how long that takes. It's not gonna drop, it's not gonna drop. Boom. But what the point that I'm making is that this is so hydrating, it leaves the hair so soft. The elasticity springs right back. You get a spongy, bouncy curl. This is gonna set you up for the next part of this system, which is Floatree, and we're gonna move right into that. Watch this. So we're gonna take one pump of this Floatree here. I'm gonna emulsify this into my hands quickly. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna mimic your scalp's natural oils. So we're gonna ask her to hold her head nice and taut. We're gonna go from roots to ends. What you're gonna achieve from this is bundled curls. You wanna make sure while you're doing this to really smooth that cuticle into place because we're mimicking your scalp's natural oils, right? So here we're gonna bundle the curls. If you can watch this, it will change before your eyes. Like you'll see the curls start to bounce up, but we're gonna take an S-like shape and just hold this for like a few seconds and release. And it's almost like a roller has been placed into your head, right? So this is the bundle of curls. When you dry this or diffuse this, whether it be air dry or diffuse, this is gonna give you a beautiful placement of a wave or a curl. And you can see the difference. This part has no product. You see the ends are still exposed. The curl is still dehydrated. And then we have our Floatree curl. Shook is the final step to the entire system we've talked about. So what we have here is your natural oils and your styling polymers. This is a biphase product. So what you want to do is shake this up really good. Not to mention it's so beautiful, right? But the way I like to use this, we've already saturated her hair with everything that we need as far as the conditioning, the Floatree, and now we really want to seal the ends. Sometimes I don't even need so much of this because we put a lot of Floatree on. What I'm looking for is to really refine the ends. So on the ends of her hair, I'm gonna shake this up really good. That's all I really need. She has a finer texture, she's color treated. She likes her hair to be free formed. But what we wanna do is we wanna put those oils in, we wanna lock in the style, we wanna give it some shine, we're gonna block out some of that humidity because with these two products combined, it is 84% humidity proof. It's a 5-step system, snag free, hooked, Cocoa Motion, Floatree, Shook. we're gonna dry this. Let me tell you some tips about how I like to dry. So I would let her sit for maybe 15 minutes because what I like to do is, I like to allow the hydration and everything that we work to naturally just absorb into the hair. Then we're gonna go in with a diffuser. We're gonna keep it on cool. I'm gonna lock in that moisture for about 5 minutes and we're gonna progressively build the heat up. The reason why I like to do that is because with curly hair, you can lose some of the elasticity if it's too dried from the beginning. You don't want it to go so tight in where you build a shape that you're not happy with. You gotta take your time with curly hair. So, we're at the end, guys. It is so sad, but it's so beautiful. We used a full regime today from Curl Wow. I'm just doing the final touches. This is the Floatree and the Shook. I really want to open that shape up a bit, allow her curls to show and just live a little bit. I'm going to take my diffuser off. And I like to use a cool dryer just to really just wake up those roots because this is a naked technology, so we love to see the shape. We love to see the texture. We want to see those free-forming curls. And I'm not afraid to really break it all up and then go back and reshape it. I want to see what you guys create. My name is Kendall, Dorsey1 on Instagram. Then we have Color Wow. You're going to tag us, you're going to create, and you just may find something in the mail.